Hello, my name is Hermann Oliva, and I am the chef of the Mexico's embassy in Japan. Today, we're going to make a dessert using the strawberries from Chiba Prefecture and the Mexican tequila. I'm going to show you the ingredients that we're gonna need for this preparation. We have a strawberry. These ones are from Chiba Prefecture. We also have sugar. We have triple sec, orange, and this tequila is Tequilablanco because it's not aged in oak barrels. We have 5 different kinds of tequilas, but today we're going to use this kind because I don't want to have a smoky flavor in the preparation. So first I'm going to take out the lips of the strawberry, and also I'm going to cut them in halves. We're going to squeeze the orange because we just need the juice, the orange juice. So what we're gonna do first is to use a fry pan, and we're going to spread the sugar. Okay? Around 2 spoons of sugar, and we're going to place the strawberries on the fry pan. We're going to start to caramelize the strawberries by both sides. After 30 seconds or almost 1 minute, you're going to start to check that the sugar is going to start to get melted. After 30 seconds, we're going to turn the strawberries because we want to get cooked by both sides. We're going to add the orange juice. And first, we're going to add the triple sec. Once that it started to boil again, we're going to add the tequila. Just we have to be careful because the intention is to flambe this preparation. So I'm going to add the tequila, and that's what I want. What we want in this preparation is to get the aromas and flavor and taste of tequila. So that's why we want to get flambe the preparation. Once that it gets reduced, the liquid of the preparation, we're going to place them in a plate. It's ready. So what I'm going to do is to place the strawberries in the middle of the plate. And at the end, we're going to use the same syrup that we made. So the dessert is done, and how easy is to make it, right? So I invite you to prepare it and eat it with me. So, oishi. It's very, very delicious. Let's make it together.